In this video, I will show you how to backup and restore an instance using the server as a backup location. You can also integrate your own backup solution such as Veeam and Commvault, and we'll be adding more options in the future. So as you can see, I'm currently in my instances page and I'm going to select the instance I wish to back up. I'll move over here to Actions and then select Backup and hit OK to confirm. This is going to take a moment, so I'll pause the video for a second just there. Now, I will go to Backups and then History. I can see my backups there, so I will now select one of them and hit Restore. Hit New Instance, select my group. I'll give it a name, Test 01, and I'll hit Restore. And that's done.